Hello everyone, Lily here with another simple tutorial video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to unfollow on TikTok. So let's get started right away. Okay, let's pretend I just like to follow this user and all I want to do is touch the plus icon just beside their profile picture on TikTok. So I just tapped on it and it turned from a plus to a small check mark but then just vanished. So if I swipe to the left here to get over to their profile, you can now see next to messages a very small figure icon with a check mark, which indicates I'm following that person. Whenever I want to unfollow someone, I simply hit that icon once more, and it unfollows them. As you can see, it then changes to a follow button, allowing me to just go back and forth between following and unfollowing. So, if you know you followed someone a long time ago and want to go back and just see their account and unfollow them, you can go back here and click on the profile icon on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, and then you can see right over here the number of people that I follow, so I can tap on that, and it will reveal you everyone that you follow on TikTok. Then you can basically follow or unfollow those people. And that's pretty much it for following or unfollowing people on TikTok. I hope you found this video useful. If it was, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more app tutorial videos. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and, as always, thanks for watching.